Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 10th, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, we got Trump and China talking this evening about the U.S. tariffs, and Trump will be talking about it by the time this video comes out. So, definitely expect to see some volatility in the markets this evening, most likely, especially if they make some kind of deal. But on the 4 hour time frame, to me, it looks like we're forming a WXY, probably a wave four of wave three on the weekly time frame. So we got three waves down W, probably one, two, three waves up X. If that's true, we're probably going to end up making over the next week or more, probably actually a couple of weeks, either a five-way pattern down for a potential flat like ABC or a three-way pattern down for a WXY. Definitely seems like that's the most likely scenario. We'll have to keep an eye on those higher time frames because the trend is definitely still up on all the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.